and welcome to this channel. In this video we will learn how to install zsh on your Ubuntu machine or Linux machine. So as you can see, now I am running Ubuntu 22.10 and my current shell is bash 5.2.2 and will replace it with, actually not replace it, will install another shell that is zsh and use that as the default shell of our system. Okay, so let's get started. So this is very simple. Let me clear up the terminal. Okay, now if I type sudo apt install and if you type zsh and press enter, it will ask for your password. Just provide the password and press enter. Now it will ask for the confirmation. Now just press Y. It will download 4981 KB, that is around 5 MB of file. So let's get started. Now let me zoom out. It is taking 11 minutes because my internet connection is a bit slow, I think. So let's wait till it finishes. Meanwhile, let's see what is zsh. So just open any browser and go to Google and search for zsh, and if you just zoom a bit, you will see it is a Unix shell that can be used as an interactive login shell and as a command interpreter for shell scripting. So this is not very useful definition. Basically what a shell is, whenever you open a terminal, okay, it will provide you a window to write commands on. Okay, for example, I want to list the directory and first I want to see in which directory I am, so I will say pwd. So this is the command used in bash shell, and let's see, we want to create a new directory, mkdir. First we'll list the content of this directory /home/dsp. so just press ls. This is another command. So let's create a new directory called zsh demo, and now if I ls, you can see there is a new directory called zsh demo, this one. So like this, many commands will be available to you depending upon the shell you are using. Okay, what zsh is doing is it is taking the commands of bash shell and providing us with some extra functions or features that otherwise is not available in bash shell. So let me clear up the terminal and let's see if our download is complete. So as you can see, download is complete and zsh is installed. Now if I type zsh and press enter, so it is asking the first time setup. Okay, so you can just continue, press enter. Now I can see the difference. See, so in the left we have bash shell and in the right we have zsh. So let me write the same command in both the window. So ls and ls, you can see the difference. There is no coloring here. Okay, then pwd. Okay, but see this, suppose if I want to go to Android directory in bash shell, what I have to write is change directory to Android and press enter. Now I am in the Android directory. But same thing, if I want to go to Android directory in zsh, all I have to do is type Android. Okay, so this is not working. Okay, so this comes with bare minimum setup. So all you have to do is you have to configure the zsh according to your needs, and luckily we have the tool for that. So let's just install that also. Just search for ohmyzsh zsh. It is a very popular plugin, or you can say tool. Just go to its website and click on install. So there are two options. You can use wget. By default wget will be there. If you have curl installed, you can use this command. So let's try to use this. If we are not seeing curl, we will install that also. So just go to any terminal. Okay, let me just exit that, and yeah, cd to home folder directory. Now let us paste it, press enter. As you can see, it is asking me to install curl. Since I do not have curl installed, so what I will do, I will first install curl, then I will use that command. So it is very simple. What you have to do is sudo apt install curl, and you might have noticed that it will ask for the confirmation. To skip that, you can provide the yes option from here also. Just enter the password. See, this time it did not ask me for the confirmation because in the command we have passed -y. So this is flickering, so let me just zoom out. It is installed. Okay, now let me paste it again and enter. This time the error did not came because we have curl installed. So now it is asking for the confirmation. Just press Y and enter your password, and now this plugin is installed. Now let me exit the terminal. Now if I open the terminal, I'm still in the bash shell. Okay, so we need to change the default shell for the user. So all you have to do is chsh and press enter. It will ask for your password. Just provide the password. Right now the login shell is zsh. See, but I'm not getting zsh because we are currently in the previous session. So we need to log out to be able to reflect that. Okay, so just press Ctrl C. It will exit that. Okay, then let's do a logout. Okay, so now we are back. Now let me open a terminal. As you can see, this time the terminal is different. Okay, let me zoom in. You can see there is an arrow and there is this tilde icon symbol. Now let me just type some command. Now you can see, now we are using zsh, but this time we are having this colored option, and I can easily go to Android directory without writing the cd prefix. So I only have to type Android, and then if I press enter, as you can see, now I'm in the Android directory. Similarly, if I want to go to list that, okay, if I list, there is only one directory, stk. So I'll just have to type stk sdk. Then if I press enter, now I'm in the stk folder. Okay, so like this, there are many small improvements over the bash shell in the zsh shell. So it will make our life easier. And let me just zoom out, and this much I think is it for the shell setup, and see you guys in the next video. So if you like this video and it helped you, please do like, share and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.